Folks, let me introduce you to these tasty, boneless, skinless chicken thighs that were marinated in sofrito overnight in the fridge. They are juicy, delicious, and tender. The video is going to be coming up. I would like to let you know this is a different format if you're a regular on my channel. I had some microphone problems and the video turned out staticky. Not a big deal because this recipe only has three ingredients: the chicken itself, sofrito, and cumin. And what I've done was I've overlaid the video along with instructions with some Puerto Rican music. It's music from the place where I was born. It's available on YouTube, and I put it into the video for the recipe. It's Bomba pa siempre, which means bomba forever, and Puerto Rico me llama, which is Puerto Rico is calling me. And it certainly is around this time of year in the holidays. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Puertorriqueña, yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! Aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
Okay, folks, this smells amazing. I cut a little piece off here. I have not tasted it yet. And see what we're dealing with. And now we're going in. We're going to get right to it. That is incredible. I'll be honest with you, I've never made this before. This is one that I thought up on my own. I didn't need ChatGPT for it.
So there you have it, folks. That was the sofrito boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I know it was yesterday, but I had also had some for lunch today. I can tell you that chicken turned out so juicy. You saw it in the video clip where I held it up. And the flavor from the sofrito permeated all the way through the chicken. This was so simple to make. Now, I could put a shameless plug in for my sofrito video, but instead what I'm going to do is put the ingredients right up about here so that you can see them. And basically all it is you take those ingredients, you put them in the blender or a food processor, and you blend them up until it has the consistency of like a salsa. Then you can either cook with it right away, or you can do like I do, and I make them up in batches, and I put them in an ice cube trays.
and then I freeze them. And then I know that each ice cube tray is about 1.5 ounces. So I just take out the appropriate amount of ice cubes for whatever dish it is that I'm going to make. And you don't need a Puerto Rican recipe in order to use it. Sofrito is the base for most Puerto Rican dishes. And it's basically, as you can see from the ingredients, there's garlic, onion, peppers, and cilantro. And that's all there is to it. And those flavors give you that rich Caribbean flavors to your meals. I use it all the time. I really encourage you to try it out. It's super simple to make. Like I said, just put those ingredients in the blender, blend it up, and try it with some rice. You will never taste rice as good as that. I shouldn't say that. Everybody has different taste buds. I happen to like it. Anyway, thank you very much for taking the time to watch. I really appreciate it. I hope you like the new format. Please comment below if you do like that type of format, and I'll try to do more videos like that as well. And I'd encourage you to check out my channel if you'd like to continue seeing new recipe ideas, taste test videos, food reviews, all things fun in the culinary world. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button if you do. Thank you for watching. Jamie, signing off. Stupid microphones.